you are the first person who brought me to meditation. I tried it before, and I met you as a very empathetic, but also very energizing person. And session with you and especially meditation has become a part of my life meanwhile. And it's exactly what I was looking for, to get focus, to get answers, and to find some tranquility, to find a space to really have a moment of a space surrounding where nothing comes into it, and you're really on your own. And after that, you can reflect and focus and get some good answers on some questions you have.